it's Nabila from WPFunnels, and today you'll learn how you can add discounts to your courses in a course funnel. Offering discounts in courses can never go wrong. You can simply create a funnel and add your course as a product and then add discounts to it using WPFunnels. And for today's video, I'm going to use LearnDash to create courses and add discounts to them in a sales funnel or a course funnel. Now let's move ahead and let me show you what courses that I've already created. Now these are my overview of the courses. So as you can see, I have created two courses. One is the web design course and the other one is the MERN Stack course, but I'm gonna work on only the web design course today. Now let's go to WPFunnels. And as you can see, I have already created a funnel, but you can also create one from clicking on add new funnel and use any of the templates you want from here. I have used the online course free template for this specific video, so I'm going to show you that. Let's edit this. And as you can see that this is a 3-step funnel. Now I'm going to add a course to my checkout step. All right. So let's go to checkout step and click on settings. Now you have to search for the course that you want to add here, which is the Now let's add this and save changes. You see, currently my web design course is not on sale, all right? But I can set two types of discounts in this specific step, all right? The first discount type we have is the percentage. Now let's say your price is $99. So if I add 10 here, then 10% of $99 will be deducted. You can see that the discounted offer price has been updated, all right? Now let's go ahead and save the changes. Now I will be showing you the checkout step. So when you view this checkout step, you can see that my web design course has been added here and the payment of this specific course is $89. As you can see, the original price has been discounted to 10% in this step. Now let me go back and show you what type of discount we have. Now moving on to my checkout step again, and I will click on settings. So now I will change my discount type to a flat amount. All right. Now, as you can see, the discount value I set before was 10. Now I will set the discount amount as $19. And you can see that the discount offer price has been changed to $80. Now let's save changes. And I will show you how the checkout step looks now. As you can see, the payment or the discount price has been updated to $80. This is it, guys. This is how you can create courses, add them to checkout step and add different types of discounts according to your courses and your students' needs. All right. So that's it for today. I'll see you in my next video.